Hi guys, this video is for freelancers basically. So if you are a graphic designer or a content writer, you have noticed that work is kind of thinning out. But this shouldn't demotivate us because that has nothing to do with your competency. So what you can do about it is just creating a portfolio isn't enough. You can obviously create portfolio on Adobe portfolios and Behance, but you have to actually document your work. Okay, you have to start documenting as much as you can. If you got a new project, turn it into a new case study. If you can screen record your entire design journey, you can create a time-lapse video showcasing how you create your designs or how you create your videos. And what you can also start doing is giving out more value to your audience. You can give out design tips, you can give out small Photoshop or Illustrator hacks or whatever software you're using. You can also talk about the challenges that you're facing with your projects. If a new project, a very interesting project came and you have no idea how to carry it out, you can talk about the challenges and you can document it. One more thing, that you don't have to be an absolute pro in order to start documenting your journey. You can create a page where you talk about that you are just a beginner and you're starting out and you're just documenting your entire journey into learning a great skill. So that is how you can reach out to more and more clients and audience. Also, we have to spread our wings. Okay, most of the designers I know, they stay in they are much more active on Behance and Dribbble, but you have to spread your wings and explore platforms like LinkedIn. LinkedIn is amazing. They have really true audience, really powerful audience. And if you document your work, if you showcase all the case studies that you've been working on, I'm sure you'll get a lot of clients who will be interested in working with you. So please explore LinkedIn and please start documenting more and more of your work and giving value to your audience. And if you want to know more about how to make powerful CV, how to go on social media and create your own personal brand, or designing tips, anything, we have a link in the bio and you can click there. We have a range of webinars and courses just waiting there for you. Please go and check it out.